Borough Market has been either on this site or very close to it for 1,000 years now. The reason why it's here is because just across the river is London Bridge and then the City of London. And the City of London was where all the money was. What traders wanted to do is try to get as close to the City of London as possible without paying the taxes to go over London Bridge, which is just behind us. We're a values-led organisation, and the traders that here have to reflect our values, and those are around things like sustainability, but particularly around provenance. We want places like Borough Market where people who have put extra effort into sourcing the right breed of beef or feeding it in a way or finishing it with grass rather than corn so you get better marbling on the meat. We must know where this food comes from and make sure that it's sourced in an ethical way. And then of course it comes to the taste. And the taste is assessed by an independent panel outside the market of chefs from restaurants that have got at least 1 Michelin star.
What we have to do with the Borough Market is we are really the only field to fork operation. They go to the farm, we select what animals we're going to use. The most popular product we do is called salt marsh lamb. Salt marsh lamb, what happens is the sea comes in, it floods the land, and as it comes out it leaves all the salt, the nutrients from the sea in the grass. Then our sheep eat the grass and that gives it a distinctive flavour.
We're a very international place. There's 109 different nationalities represented in the place. So we will have food from Italy, from France and from other areas in Europe. We have meat from South America. We have wasabi from Japan.
All delicious cured meats from South Tyrol, which is in the Italian Alps. We specialize in doing a speck ham, which is a gently smoked ham, low in salt, very aromatic. Smoked sausages from wild boar, venison, beef and pork. Loads of different types of salamis. It also tastes very nice, really thinly, like you slice a Parma ham, so you can enjoy it any way you like. It's very versatile.
So what's special about being inside Borough is that you have the whole world coming to see you, and then we have the best food markets in the UK. So now it's a real destination for people who really care about what they want to buy, what they want to eat as well. The community of people who sell cheese here, the community of people who sell anything here is really marvellous to be a part of.
We specialise in great British cured meats, and we're trying to kind of create a cured meat revolution in Britain to take on the Italians, the Spanish, the French, with obviously their amazing products, but we also have some incredible things here which our farmers are doing.
So this here is a lovely air-dried ham. So in Italy it'd be a prosciutto, in Spain it'd be a jamon, but here it's a lovely air-dried ham from Worcestershire. And then just something really different is a venison salami. This is all wild venison, which is shot up there, which is amazing, made into salamis. So.
This trader is probably an illustration about where Borough Market's going to be going next. Sometimes what you need to do in order to really capture the future is sometimes take a tiny step back, reflect on what you really are successful about, because Borough Market is most famous for the quality of the produce within the market. The reason why Hook & Son is different is because they sell raw milk, so it's unpasteurised milk. And in the UK, up until about 10-15 years ago, it was illegal to sell unpasteurised milk.
All our milk and cream, that's which we make ourselves, is all unpasteurised. It's different because it's not homogenised, it's not heat treated, it's straight from the cow.
The reason why it's different and better is exactly what the ethos of Borough Market is about. It's about the right thing to do because of its ethics, because of its provenance, and because, to be frank, it tastes better. Cheers.